Hello everyone and welcome to the third match of today, R-Force versus KIKS. So I think they're almost ready to start. We're starting a bit later than was scheduled, but we've had some delays.
Yes, and Emil is probably going to be assistant referee for this match, so that's why he's not giving the commentary on this match.
Yes, if you've been following the commentary, then you'll recognize Emil. Or if you're a Robo team, you'll probably recognize Emil. Oh, by the way, this is Lotte and I am Franka.
Yay.
And we're from the Robo team and we'll be commentating this match. Comment if you can't hear us well or if you have any questions, because we don't really know what to talk about. So if you have any suggestions at all, they're very welcome.
There's a water roll on the field.
Oh no, zal ik dit weghalen?
Yeah.
Lelijk hè?
The game has not started yet, but all the robots are already on the field. As you can see, I think on the left-hand side of the field it's the KIKS, and on the right-hand side is R-Force. I think we're now waiting for the refereeing stuff to be complete, and then we can start.
There's no more trash at the fields, that's better.
Yay!
Oh, and the game is running!
Oh, there's a Franka in the live stream. Whoa! Okay, that was a while ago, I think.
Yeah, it was a while ago. We're seeing it on delayed. So the way this works is we have two halves of 5 minutes each. The total game is probably going to take a little bit longer because there's the occasional halts and timeouts. But it looks like both teams are pretty complete, which is cool.
Nah, it's
not
normally
11, but they look kind of even.
Yeah, normally it would be 11 versus 11, but I think we have now the KIKS with 7 robots, and R-Force has
9. KIKS has 9 as well, right? Oh no, 7. I'm looking at the wrong side.
So I think last match of R-Force they ended up with less robots than 9. So I think they fixed some, or
yeah, they must have.
KIKS is now attempting ball placement, but it's not really going that well. I think it got stuck in the wall. So
yeah, it looks like they can't take it away from the wall. So the ball handler might have to help out there. We have Emil in the middle of the field, out back, standing there fabulously with a stick. Oh, here, the ball handler is helping out. So do we have any information that we can share about R-Force and KIKS? R-Force is a German team, I know that.
Yes.
From Erlangen.
I don't know if Emil...
One of the 2 German teams in the SSL, I think.
Yes, I don't think we
and
have
then
more
KIKS?
information.
Do we know anything about KIKS?
We can look it up, I think, on the internet.
Yes, we will look up things about KIKS on the internet.
No, this does not work. KIKS.
RoboCup.
Oh, it's our own live stream.
There, that's fine.
But that's the accent.
Might be say something about the team. Oh, I can see their banner hanging. They are from the National Institute of Technology, Toyota College. I'm guessing... I don't know, actually. I have no idea where they're from.
Maybe up Japan?
Maybe Japan. Correct us if we're wrong. If you know that we're wrong.
They're from Japan. That we know.
Yes, they're from Japan. We found confirmation.
Yes, look. Japan.
Yes,
We haven't found more information, so if
we found their extended team description paper, which could be interesting, but we're not going to read that out loud to you. It might be a little bit boring.
From Germany.
Hey, having breakfast in Germany.
Yes.
Yes, there's quite a bit of time difference.
I think it's 5 hours
earlier.
In Germany, so it's around 7.
Yeah.
We're here now at at 12:15, so we'll be having lunch in a bit and have been here all morning. I think this, it's the third match of today. There's multiple matches going on in different fields. And we're now sitting at the larger field for the Division A matches, which take place on a bigger field than the Division B matches. I think we're now having stopped in game, and
The game is stopped.
The referee has to place the ball.
Oh yes, both teams were unable to do ball placement, which means that the referee has to place the ball.
Okay, some nice. Ooh, the Air Force took the ball from the KIKS and tried a pass.
Oh, nice reflect ball pass.
That's
and they missed it. Oh, good.
Okay, that looks quite
Oh,
good.
this looks very nice.
Oh, some small bumps.
Oh, and a nice chip from KIKS.
I don't know if they got the yellow card for that, I think, KIKS.
No, they already had a yellow card, I think.
They had it already.
Yeah.
Okay, then
Oh, and there was a goal for Air Force. And it's been written down as well, approved by the referee.
Air Force kicked the ball too fast.
Oh, that's not good.
So I don't know if that will interfere with the goal they might have made. I think they're only allowed to go 6.5 meters per second, and they went 6.8 meters per second. So I think there's now some discussion going on at the referee table. We'll have to see if the team will flag it. It says, I think there on there that it's invalid. They committed fouls after touching the ball. But I don't know if they'll also... I think they're looking at it now. The game is still halted. I think they're still discussing the ball that went too fast and whether it's a goal or not. I think they kept the goal, so it's now 0.
It's been approved. Sorry if you can hear the announcements on the background. We can't really help that.
Okay, so the ball's been placed in the middle again, and I think we'll do a kickoff and then continue with the game.
We've also gathered quite an audience behind the live stream camera, so you guys can't see it, but trust me, there's quite some people watching, which is fun. And we have 6 viewers, woo!
Okay, one of our team members just walked by. It's Corata. He's from France, and he can tell you all about mechanical stuff. What do you think of this match so far?
Well, I've seen 10 seconds of it, so I don't know. But ER4 seems to be doing good on defense, maybe. They have a wall of robots to block the goal.
Yeah, and I think you might probably also have noticed, but it's 7 of the KIKS robots, but I think so far they've been doing kind of.
Oh, one of them is stuck in the middle.
Yes, it appears to be that robot
It's
right in the middle
8?
of the field is stopped moving.
Yeah.
So maybe they have some issues with the electronics as well, we don't know.
Yeah.
The Air Force is doing some real strong back dribbling, it appears, or it just...
Oh, he's just
I
lost the ball.
think he's trying to get the ball and it did not. Oh, blue collected multiple fouls, it kicked the ball too fast and it dribbled too far and crashed into yellow, so we'll see if they get a yellow card for this. Caden's now, I think, ball placement's going on, so the ball's being set up to be kicked into the field again. Oh, that pass unfortunately did not go anywhere. Okay, so it's again ball placement. I think the KIKS are now doing ball placements. They're struggling a bit, it's barely not visible on the camera, but they're getting there. Yes, okay, that went quite nicely. What do you think, Corentin, is hardest about ball placement?
What is hardest about ball placement?
Yes.
I think if you don't have a good dribbler, then you really struggle to put the ball in the right place. Or the ball just keeps rolling all the time and then it just doesn't work. Oh, that was pretty nice.
Oh no, their keeper is trying to get the ball. It's number 6.
Is the ball in the corner there?
Yeah, I think it's behind number
Ah.
6, but it's a bit in the corner, yes. Do you want to give a shout out to the people from France watching? I don't know if there's any people watching.
I did tell my family that there is the YouTube channel, so maybe they are watching. Can,
Yeah,
we,
you
can we
can-
see who is watching?
No, we can only see that 6, 7 people watching.
Whoa.
Yeah, you
That's
can,
more than my family, so
you can say
maybe they're
that
in
your
there.
family is, like, you can say that you commentated live on this game.
Yeah, oh, I can actually text them now.
But it's quite early in France, I think. Same for Germany, it's I think also 7
Yeah, it's
o'clock.
the same time as the Netherlands.
The KIKS have kind of nice defensive, I think, placement now of the robots. But I think now
Yeah.
ER Force is trying to get the ball from the weird position at the corner of the goal, and it's also not.
But I'm guessing the ball is just not, like none of the robots can really grab it. It's just stuck in the corner there.
Yeah, I think so.
So we might need a human to
Yeah,
actually grab it.
I think a human is needed. Is the human Emil?
Oh, my mom is watching.
Ah,
Whoa.
can
Hello,
say-
mom.
And yes. Hello, mother of Corentin. Whoa, that's quite cool.
Yeah, it's a great game. But did the KIKS robot lose their keeper? Is it just gone?
I don't. Oh, it was number 6. No, I think it's waiting now because they're in ball placement and they can't be
Oh.
too close to the robot getting the ball. Think
Did he
they're-
grab the ball? Oh no, it's
No,
just
I
rotating.
think also there's lots of discussion going on at the refereeing table.
Oh.
So I don't know what they're doing now actually because now humans should interfere and get the ball.
Yeah, the game is halted. Oh, is that because of ball placement?
Yeah, like you
Yeah,
can see
okay.
over there that they both failed at placing the ball. They can only take so much time to do that,
Oh.
and they did not succeed. So I think
So
we're now
Emil should
waiting
go
for
on the
human
field, right?
interference, but there's not that much happening now.
Maybe Emil is gonna go.
Oh, we have another person joining us at the commentary
Sarah.
table. It's one valued team member, Sarah. You want to say something to Corentin's mother? She's listening. You have to be a bit. And what is your opinion about this game so far? I think they're failing now at ball placement at the moment. Oh, we got another person joining us.
Yes.
It's
My
Emil.
mom is watching.
Assistant referee Emil here.
What is happening? Can you explain to
Yes,
us?
KIKS is challenging the second goal because they claim that our force made a foul. before
Yeah,
they
we were
scored.
discussing this already on the live stream as well.
The problem is
we-
that goal was already like 5
Yeah,
minutes ago.
we-
People don't remember what happened.
I
Oh.
saw. We can watch it back on
But
the
we
live
are.
stream.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, but we have the game logs and people are spitting through the game logs right now to see if a goal was
Yeah,
actually
we were
detected.
discussing it because it was going too fast the ball, and then they made the goal.
Yes.
So I
The
also thought
referee
they would
over-
challenge it, but they
The
did not.
referee overrode that decision and said the ball was actually not going too fast.
How does he know?
That's also what I asked him. Like, how can you know the speed of the ball?
Maybe he has
Uh,
like supervision, and
Maybe
like he can
I'm not
just see
sure.
how
I need
fast
to
the
be
ball
back
is
there,
going.
So,
Yeah.
But some interesting things going on with the rules there.
Hello.
I'm I'm the organizer of the next RoboCup in France. And I have a question about this screen.
I think the organizing committee set it up.
Yes, but it's connected on what?
I only sit there and give commentary. I don't really know.
it was on this computer.
But there's a cable going to the camera there, right?
Yeah,
Oh.
I think it's
We have a camera set up over there.
The camera is oh yeah.
some French guy who is not
Yeah.
Corentin, and he wanted
But
to
he
know
has a
how we
very
set up
strong
our
French accent.
how we set up our live stream. There's like lots of excited people for our live
The
stream.
channel is organized by you.
So Emil explained that the KIKS are now just challenging the previous goal, which we also discussed.
I think my mom really likes the live stream.
And I think they came with
Oh,
the
they're
they actually removed the goal. That's quite unusual because the goal was
wow.
already made some time ago, and they just now removed it after the challenge from KIKS, which is a bit weird because, yeah, we were also discussing it. We also thought they would remove the goal, but they eventually did.
Where was it?
Here.
I've also found. Okay, and the game is halted again. It's another case of ball placement. It's just in the left bottom corner, so you guys can't really see it. But I think the Air Force is placing ball. It goes quite well,
they
and I
succeeded,
think
yeah.
they're now kicking. If everything runs okay.
They pushed
Okay,
the ball
they're-
out of bounds again.
And there's another ball placement going on. What happened is the Air Force kicked the ball, but I think the KIKS robot reflected it back into the out of the field, so it's again ball placement. So
But KIKS also lost their kicker, their goalkeeper again. Or is
yeah, I
that-
think it's because of the ball placement that. Okay, so now KIKS can attempt the ball placement. Hello. You want to give commentary? No, not a special inside opinion about the Air Force. No, okay. Tijmen, I think you were supposed to be the vision expert at this match.
Oh.
So maybe ask around there if you still need to be. Okay, I think there's a robot substitution now going on from KIKS. They took out one of the robots and I don't know if they have a new one to put back for it or if they're just doing... Yeah, they're fixing that robot now as we speak. You can see it happening left at the back of the field.
Can they do that?
I don't
Shouldn't
know.
they just take a timeout? Or is it...
I think if they don't put the robot back, it's fine. If they can do it in the time that's allotted for the substitution, I think it's also allowed.
okay.
I think Emil is more up to date about the rules about substitution, but we can just see what happens, I guess. We had somebody from the Air Force standing by and watching, but she did not want to give commentary, so we do not have the inside scoop about what's going on with the Air Force tactic. We did have some questions for them though, like we've seen them robots like rotating quite a lot.
And
and not
bumping
o-
into each other too.
Yeah, and not always catching the ball with front assembly, but sometimes on the side. And we want to know if that was like on purpose or if that's...
I cannot doubt that it's on purpose.
Okay, so I think Tijmen is now sitting behind the vision computer and being vision expert. Okay, so we started the game again. Oh, and KIKS shot the ball at their own robot and it went out of the field again. So there's another ball placement. So this is one half only takes 5 minutes, but ball placement can take up to 1 minute also. And then it's passed again. So that's why the matches sometimes take quite some time. Sarah, what's your opinion about ball placement? Why is it so hard for the teams? You have to.
Well, because sometimes the ball is in a really weird place where the robots can't easily access it and grab it. And once they grab the ball, they still need to turn with the ball, which is proven quite a challenge for some of the teams.
Not for us, because we have a really good front assembly.
Yeah, I think that was one of the things that went
It went
quite
really well for us, I think.
Yeah, it's a bit of shame it's all happening in the left bottom corner, which is just barely not visible in the stream. But the robots are quite struggling a lot to get the ball removed from the corner and into the field.
Yeah. But why is all the action happening there? Do they know that it's not recorded on that
maybe
side?
they just don't want to be live streamed, I guess.
Yeah.
The robots are a bit scared for the camera, I think.
Stage
They're
fright.
just shy.
I think
yeah.
so, yeah.
Just a few, no.
Oh, I need to go here.
Yeah, so we now have commentating. We are from Robot Team Twente. My name is Lotte.
I'm Corentin.
And my name is Sarah.
Yes, and Sarah is from our AI and PR team, and Corentin is from mechanics. I myself am the technical manager, so we have a broad view of all the things going on with robots.
And Sarah did also electronics and mechanics and everything,
Just
so
everything.
she just knows everything
Sarah
about
is
the
our
robots.
jack of all trades.
Yeah.
We have now 8 people watching. It's
Whoa.
really...
Is my mom still there?
I hope so. We're doing
That's
this
a real
especially for her. Sarah, if you also sent this to your family, are they watching?
Well, probably they're still asleep because it's now 7:30 in the Netherlands.
Yeah, but also in
Oh.
France, so...
Yes.
Yeah, but my mom likes to wake up very early, so...
Isn't your dad also a person who gets up early?
Yes, but he also needs to go to work. So you know,
Oh.
I
yes,
probably
it's
don't
Wednesday.
think he's watching right now.
Sad. We
Oh,
need-
they're fighting.
Okay,
What?
so we're
But maybe they will watch it back. You never
okay,
know.
so it's a bit weird because
Oh.
the refereeing software, the software you can see at the right top, is saying there was still ball placement, but the ball placement actually is already finished. So we're now back playing.
Oh, there's a ball placement
oh,
again.
So it's again ball placement. I think
How many?
that's also one of the big challenges, not shoot the ball out of the field. Like
Yeah.
robots are having quite a hard time to aim correctly. So okay, so
And it's
Oh.
out of bounds again, and there's
ER
another ball placement.
yeah, ER Force put the ball back. No, I think KIKS put the ball back in the field and bounced against the ER Force and was out of the field again. Okay, so KIKS is now doing quite neat ball placement. They're driving the ball to the correct position, and then they have to get behind it.
Oh, they succeeded.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
And
And
they
now they're
tried to pass to the
make a
keeper, but
pass.
didn't miss. So now ER Force can do another ball placement. We're seeing quite a lot. Oh no, KIKS
Oh
is
no,
doing
the
ball placement.
keeper is going to do ball placement.
We're seeing quite a lot of ball placement this match.
Yeah. But KIKS seems to be doing quite well on the ball placement.
ER Force also has quite an interesting strategy with like the robots lining up in front of the goal and switching out.
Yeah, it looks like they don't want to go on offense. They're just
Yeah, you can
staying
always
back.
see this quite a lot with the ER Force. Each time there's a ball placement going on, all their robots line up in front of the goal, which is kind
Yeah.
of good strategy, I guess. But I don't. I think they need 2 robots to put the ball back into the field.
Oh. They're just bumping into each other all the time.
Yeah, but what do you guys think so far from the RoboCup?
Yeah, it's quite nice. And there are also a lot of different leagues that you can go around and see, so it's also interesting to see like all the different things that people are doing around the world. So it's quite nice.
Yeah, what do you think of the other teams? The performance?
In our league,
Yes.
yeah, well, Tigers is obviously really good. Like they have, I think they're the only ones with 11 robots, maybe, and they're working really well, so it's quite good.
Yeah.
But I think we have a chance at beating the other teams, so that's also quite nice.
Because that's where.
Well, we will at least try.
Yeah. Yeah,
We were discussing.
but
the
that's
other
fine.
team. No.
But it's on the robot team.
And
channel.
there's.
Oh, okay. Oh, everything stopped. Oh, there's a robot substitution.
Oh,
Okay.
I think Air
Whoa.
Force is now substituting on one of their robots. They requested one, so they placed a new one in. And they placed it back, I guess.
No, I think they had a yellow card, so one of their robots was out, and now it can come back into the game. So they have 10 robots again.
Yeah, no, they have 9, I think. Yes, they have 9.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think they ever had 10 to begin with.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we're still waiting for the robot substitution to end, and then we can continue the game. There's 51 seconds left in the first half. Yes, I think. Yes. Okay, we're started
Whoa,
again.
the chipping was
Quite a
really
nice
good.
pass. Oh, that's great
Oh,
passing.
wow.
Oh, it was almost a goal opportunity, but there
Yeah.
was unfortunately no robot on the receiving end. This is. Oh, that's a shame. Air Force pushed the ball outside of the field, so this is a quite quick ball placement so far.
Yeah, KIKS
they
are really
placed
good at placing the ball.
But now they need somebody to kick the ball. It takes a bit. Okay, that was the kick. I don't know where this ball was supposed to go, but there was nobody there.
Yeah. But I think the Air Force robot just blocked the ball.
Could also be. Maybe the ball was supposed to go to the keeper, but that's quite risky to pass back to your keeper because
Yeah. And they also didn't have any robots on defense, so it's even more risky.
it appears to be that the KIKS robot is trying to get the ball from the left top corner, which is again kind of stuck. And I don't know why all Air Force robots are driving around. I guess they're trying to go back into the line they're always forming during ball placement. Okay. I think now
Oh, they
Air
don't have
Force-
the line anymore.
No, I think
Whoa.
Air Force KIKS took too long, so Air Force is now back
Oh,
on ball
okay.
placement.
They're doing ball placement, yeah.
But
But it
I
might
don't
be
think
just in the
it's-
corner, so you cannot
Yeah.
really grab it.
Would be nice maybe for coming years to round out the corners,
Yeah.
because then robots can actually grab stuff from those corners. Because if
Yeah.
it's really stuck in the corner, I think it's quite hard to get.
Mhm.
I think Emil's standing like on the field as assistant referee with an e-reader with all the rules with him, so he's totally prepared.
He has the rules on his e-reader?
Yeah, I think
Whoa.
he put it on there to read if he was bored.
That's so cool. Oh, my dad is also watching.
Oh,
Whoa.
hello to Corentin's dad.
They said that they want to see a goal. I also want to see a goal. So far there were two of them, but one of them was overruled, I think, right? Because the ball was moving too fast.
Yes, I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we had 2 goals, but one was indeed not correct. Maybe my niece will also join in, I don't know.
Whoa, there's so many people.
People are getting up so early.
Yeah.
Why?
Because
But-
it's the RoboCup.
Yes, it's very important.
Yeah,
Okay.
true.
I think they're running again, but I think KIKS is trying to get the ball away from
Oh, they
their
made a
like,
pass.
half.
Oh.
Okay, KIKS is not really on the offense, but chip.
Whoa,
we
that
saw
was
chip.
a really good chipping.
Ooh, the R-Force has kind of a nice chipping mechanism
Yeah.
and really high. Quite impressive. Okay, so
But
that
I-
was a nice pass as well.
wow.
We'll go through third robot. Oh no, oh okay. The robot really
Almost.
tried to get the ball, but he just missed, so went out of the field again. So it's back to ball placement. I think we're now 22 seconds in the negative of this half.
Oh, when does it end?
I think when the referee decides that the offense is over, I think
Oh,
that might
game
be.
is halted. Oh,
yeah,
yeah.
so we're now if we have 5 minutes of halftime.
Nice.
You probably see all the Arbo robots went to the right top. Oh, and they start moving and they almost attack the person.
Oh no.
I
Are they
think
rebelling against
They
the
all,
humans?
oh, yes, maybe.
Oh, no.
no. Okay.
They're taking over.
Yeah, they decided they did not like it. Oh no.
They don't want to be turned off.
I found it very cool that their robots during halftime all go to. Oh, there's one more robot joining. Watch out! Okay. That they all go to the top corner
Yeah,
of the field.
I
I
think-
think they're now doing some. I don't know if they'll replace. Yeah, they all replace batteries now.
Oh yeah.
So KIKS is not doing that much yet.
Yeah, their
but
robots don't drive to the side when it's over.
That's cool. We should also implement
Yeah,
that.
we should also do that because it's quite nice.
But that one robot is, I think they're doing some last minute test replacement of the batteries. KIKS is now also taking robots off the field. Oh,
Whoa, they just kicked the ball.
okay, we can do a small interview with people sitting here.
Yes.
Sarah, what was your best experience so far at the RoboCup?
Well, playing a match ourselves, and I'm also very excited to see what else is going on here.
Yes. It's quite a big location that we're sitting on. It's like a big conference hall. It's really cold.
Yeah.
The airco is blasting and we're in Thailand, so it's quite hot outside. Oh, we got a question.
Whoa. Oh, what's
Somebody
going
asked
on?
What's going on? I don't
It's the
know.
halftime. So
so I
both
don't
teams
know
have
where-
like 3 minutes left in the halftime to fix their robots or
Yeah, so as you
not
can
if they
see,
don't want to.
at the top right corner of the field, there's 3 minutes of halftime left. They think most teams will replace the batteries of the robots and fix some last minute stuff. And then we'll continue on again. So it's now just us talking.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you have any questions for us, just ask them in the chat.
Mhm.
Let us know where you're watching from and what's your favorite team.
Yeah. And it has to be Robot Team. You cannot
No.
answer anything else.
No, I think we have quite some watchers from other teams as well, so that's quite nice.
Oh, cool. Whoa. We're like going like mainstream
Yes.
everywhere.
Whoa.
Whoa.
I think
Well,
we
hello
have-
to the other people from the other teams.
Yes, we had a few minutes ago somebody from Germany.
Oh, nice.
So
So Tigers or ER Force, right?
yeah, probably.
Yeah. Cool.
And Sarah is back.
Yeah.
There's also now somebody from ER Force laying on the field, I think, watching probably the front assembly and see what's going on with the dribblers or something like that. Or maybe some wheels. Oh, the KIKS robots are back in the field again. They're missing one, which is now also joining and not joining. Oh, and it's joining again.
Oh, nice.
Think
Oh,
they
one of
have-
their robot has a letter. It's not number. There's like robot A all the way at the back.
Yeah. Oh, they're kind of bumping into each other now.
Yeah, I think they
So-
want to fight. They're getting ready for a
Don't
fight.
really know what they're doing right this moment. Yeah, so Korta, what do you think was nicest so far about RoboCup? What did you really enjoy?
I really enjoyed watching our keeper because we played against like one of the best teams, or maybe the best teams, I don't know. And our keeper was able to block many shots, so that was very cool. Yeah. And
Yes.
What did you like the most?
I think I liked most like seeing all the teams and like how they're all performing and what everybody came up with. And like you
Yeah.
can really see quite a lot of different tactics that are being applied.
Yeah. Also on the AI side, right?
Yeah, definitely. Like where robots are standing and with times.
There's
So we
less
have
than half a minute.
yeah, half a minute remaining of the halftime. Unfortunately, there's no halftime show, although the robots are kind of performing now from the KIKS team. I think,
Are they gonna dance?
I don't know, you can maybe join and run
Go on
into the field
and
and
make a dance?
yes. So, okay, I think the halftime is finished. I think it's now just waiting on the signal from the referee to start.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think if the ball, oh, there's no ball on the field yet.
Oh, there's a Tigers alumni. Nice.
Whoa.
Hi. Yeah, Tigers won their first game 10-0. So, good job.
Yes. It was against us, but
Yeah.
yes.
We
And we
couldn't
have
really do
another
much.
person say good morning. Good morning to you as well. It's afternoon here, but yes. I think most people are reaching from all over the world, so lots of different time zones.
Yeah.
But what better than start your morning with a nice RoboCup match?
Exactly. It's probably one of the best mornings you'll ever get, right?
Yes, with live commentary from Lotte, Korata and Sarah.
Yeah.
Sarah will give us some great statistics in a bit.
Oh. Or maybe not. Whoa, there was a pass.
Okay, I think,
No.
yeah, we're going again.
Oh, the KIKS team stole the ball from the Air Force robot.
Oh,
Oh,
and
no, there's a ball placement.
oh, there's ball placement.
But
So
what
yeah, you can
happened?
see like the tactic we've seen from ER Force a lot, that all the robots are lining up when the ball placement is happening. But then it takes also quite some time before they're spread out over the field again. So
Yeah.
okay, I think there's another ball placement going on. I think the KIKS tend to shoot the ball out quite a lot, or maybe
Yeah.
ER Force.
And
They
they really
have.
struggle to make passes because the ball just bounces off of their front assembly.
Ooh, this was quite
Oh,
some
that was
quite
also a
nice
nice
passing
pass.
from ER Force. It was like 3 or 5 in a row. It was really good.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, the last one like didn't hit the ball on the front assembly and went behind the robot, and it pushed it out again. So that's a
So now
shame
there's
because they
another ball
were
placement.
having a really nice play.
Yeah, they played really well.
So Sarah, how many teams are performing this year in the Division A?
For Division A, there are 5 teams, and I think in Division B there are 9, so 14 in total.
Yes.
It's quite a lot, yeah.
So quite
Yeah,
a
I
lot,
think
and
that's
Division A teams have to have 11 robots on the field, or aim to have 11 robots. So far we have not seen most teams playing with 11 because it's quite hard to make all the robots and make them all working in time. And I think also quite a lot of teams suffered from difficulties from the chip shortage, so not enough chips to put in all the robots. And the Division B teams need, I think, 6 robots, yes. Oh, there was a robot substitution going on by ER Force. They took it out, and I don't know if they'll put a new one back in or just fix this one. So we have to wait for that, see what happens.
It looks like they're just looking at their robot, seeing what the problem is with it.
Yeah, and meanwhile the game has started again. I think there should be a free kick. Yes, so okay, that was
Oh.
quite nice. Jarvers got the ball and their
Oh, that was a good
pass
pass.
from 10 and 10 passes. Oh, okay, yes. KIKS
Oh,
like
KIKS is trying to get
took
the
the
ball
ball.
again. Yes.
Having some difficulties grabbing the ball, it seems. Like, there's really no one in the way, but also, okay, Jarvers decided to grab the ball from KIKS. Oh, that was quite a nice shot,
Yeah.
but great defensive work from KIKS.
Oh, and the ball is out again, so there is another ball placement. Okay, so we're again doing ball placement. KIKS also now seems to be doing the Jarvers tactic, which looks quite funny because there's now 2 ropes of robots just Yeah.
standing. So what is different is that the Jarvers does have a keeper and KIKS doesn't. So KIKS robots are all just standing in line.
Oh yeah. And I think they're gonna succeed in making ball placements.
They have 15 seconds still to go.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think they succeeded. Yes, nice. Oh, that was quite a nice pass from Jarvers, but it
I think the
bounced
ball
over
just bounced
KIKS.
off.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a shame because they could have made a quite nice goal attempt out of
Mhm.
that.
Yeah.
Oh, KIKS tried to pass the ball, but there was nobody receiving it, so that unfortunately did not go through. Hey, my niece is watching. Hello,
Oh.
Dorian.
Hello,
Yay!
Lisa Vlotte.
Now we have Corotan's parents and my niece.
Yeah.
Whoa, so
And
many
someone
people.
from Tigers.
Yay!
Whoa, so many people.
Okay, so I think
The robots
Jarvers
are
is
just-
trying to put an offensive move on, I think.
Yeah, but the KIKS robot keeps bumping
Yeah,
into the
they're
ER
quite
Force robot.
being well on the defensive side.
Yeah. But are you
Oh,
allowed
that was a
to-
nice chip.
Oh.
I don't actually. Have we seen the KIKS robots already chipping? Not yet, right?
I don't think we've seen them doing that, no.
They also seem to struggle. Oh, robot substitution. Jarvers is taking out one of their robots. I think maybe it was the one they already took out previously as well. I don't know.
Could
I
be.
think they just took it out. They're not trying to replace it anymore. So they are now with 8 robots. Still more than the KIKS, so still an advantage.
Yeah.
That was quite some nice
that was
keeping
really
from
good,
KIKS.
Yeah.
But I wonder, it's like standing with the side to us, if that's on purpose, as a defensive mechanism, or by accident.
I don't know, maybe it moves faster if it's on the side. Yeah, it looks like it's always rotating to the side to move faster.
I think we also had a tactic quite a few years ago. I think like the placement of the wheels and the motor sometimes going back and forth is faster than going sideways. So that's
Oh.
why it
Whoa!
could. Oh, they
Nice.
scored!
They scored a goal. That was a really good play by ER Force.
Okay, but yeah, I think the referee will check whether there were no fouls committed, and then we can have another goal.
Yeah. But that was pretty good. They made some very good, very nice passes. They also chipped the ball over one of the KIKS robot to pass it to another robot. Is your niece enjoying the
Yeah, she
live
was
stream?
happy. She was called out.
Oh, nice.
Yes. I think we're now waiting for the goal to be. Oh, the goal's verified, so Jarvers is in the lead. I think so far the game is also more going on the advantage of Jarvers.
Yeah.
The KIKS are quite good at the defense, but they don't seem to be having a lot of struggles with passing the ball.
Yeah, so they cannot really go on offense because they cannot really make passes, which is kind of sad.
Yeah, I also find a shame that they don't have funny names for their robots. They're all just
Yeah.
called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
But does Air Force also have names?
I don't think so.
I don't think they do, no.
No, it's always fun.
Yeah.
There's also quite a big crowd now standing around the field, which is nice. I think it's some visitors to the conference here at the RoboCup.
Yeah. Oh, maybe
Okay.
another goal.
I think
that was
Yarfors
very
gathered
close.
another yellow card because they kicked the ball too fast, so we're only allowed to go 7.5 meters per second. They
Six and a
with
half.
Yeah, oh,
Yeah.
I think, yeah.
Whoa,
they
you
went,
don't even know the rules.
They went 6.9 meters per second. And there's now another ball placement going on. So the ball placement is when the ball gets outside of the field, the robots have to put it on the correct position back in and they can shoot it.